It's about? Sino nag-finish? Ako. Quartal. So our previous lesson is all about quartals of data. So when we say a quartal, what does it mean? Class?
Quarter.
Quarter. Very good. Four. Yes. So when we say a quarter is so quarter is also associated with four. Okay. So in our previous lessons we have talked about, or we have studied how we are going to determine the positions of a quartal of ungroup data. So in finding the position of a quartal of data, what were the steps? Yes, please give me one. I know. I mean, what are the methods used in solving for quartile? So mendenhall and Simic methods. What about the other ones? Yes. Linear interpolation. So the two methods that was utilized and used in solving quartals of ungroup data is mendenhall and Simic and the linear interpolation. So by using those two methods, we are able to get the position of our quartile. So now class, let's have an activity. So this activity is called Guess the Hidden Word. So here are the reminders. So to find the hidden words, you need to look closely at every part of the picture. Next, don't be afraid to zoom in or look at the picture from different angles. And last is some of the words are hidden in plain sight while others are more camouflaged. So kung sino yung mag-answer, please takbo na lang and sulatin dito yung ano. So lahat mga Are you ready?
Yes!
Yes? Okay, first, one word. Find the hidden word. Go, please. term is quartile. So, based on our activity, class, based on our activity, what do you think will be our lesson for today? Huh? Okay.
Measures of each other.
Group data. So very good. So our topic is about, our lesson is all about measures of positions, quartiles for group data. So before we proceed to our discussion, let us first know our learning targets. So everybody read. At the end of the lesson.
Solve problems involving
Measures of position using
quartile for group data. Display value of patients in solving measures of position using quartile for group data.
Okay, so I hope at the end of the lesson you were able to obtain these learning targets. So our lesson outline that we're going to we discussed will be the definitions of quartiles, steps in solving quartiles, and interpret of quartiles. So class, as mentioned earlier, our topic is all about quartile of group data. So again, class, when we say a quartile, okay, so when we say again, class, when we say a quartile, when we say a quartile, this describes the division of observation into 4 intervals based on the values contained. So based from the definition, it is stated that it is a division of observation into 4 intervals. So in a quartile, so these are 4 divisions. Okay. So the four divisions that is categorized of a quartile is quartile. Okay. So quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, and quartile 4. Whereas the quartile 1 represents the 25%, the quartile 2 the 50%, and quartile 3 75, and quartile 4 the 100%. So now, what do we mean by group data? So when we say a group data, these are data formed by collecting individual observations on a variable groups. So when it is group data, as mentioned earlier by Tracy, our population here is more than 30. So with the observations of that 30, we classify them or we group them according to their interval or their rest minutes. Okay? Okay, so now, how do we solve quartile of ungroup data? Do we have a solution? Yes, check. How do we solve for quartile of ungroup data? So when solving a quartile for group data, we make use of this formula. Okay, so this is our formula, and so this. So in our formula, so LE represents the lower boundary. The K times N divided by K represents, N represents the total frequency plus with the cumulative the size of class interval, this, the I. This is cumulative frequency before, and K is the n quartile. So, K represents kung ano yung sinusolve natin na quartile. It's either quartile 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayun. Where n is 1, 2, or 3. So now, to explain better this formula, let's have an example. So here, calculate the quartile 2 of the mathematics text course of 50 students. So before we can integrate this formula, we make use of these steps. Okay, so here are the steps in solving for a quartile. So, who can read the step 1?
Yes, can I?
Get the lower boundary and cumulative frequency of the
Okay, very good. So, in our first step, it is stated that we first need to get the lower boundary and then the cumulative frequency. So, how do we get the lower boundary and the cumulative frequency? How do we get the lower boundary? We subtract
the lowest number.
to the lower limit. So, here we already have the class limit in our given. This is already in a class limit. So this is categorized as the lower limit, and then this is the upper. So to get the lower boundary, you simply subtract the lower limit with 0.5. So start 46 minus 0.5 is 5.5. It's 45.5. 45.5. Next. 25.5. Okay, so here are the lower boundaries. So what about the cumulative frequency? So in solving for the cumulative frequency, what we need to do first is look at our class limits. We're going to look on where the class limit started. It can be on the bottom or at the top. So since it is in the bottom, therefore we're going to start here at the bottom. We're going to copy its frequency and then add the frequency. So 6 plus 12, 18 plus 9,
27,
plus 11,
28,
plus 8,
46, 48, 48.
18. So also class, the cumulative frequency, the top or the bottom should equal to your number of students. So now that we already have the lower boundary and then the cumulative frequency, what is our next step? Okay, so in solving for KN, in solving for KN divided by 4, we are able to determine our quartile class. So now so for step 2, this is step 1. So this is step 2. We have to solve for Kn over 4. So what is our K?
Jerome.
2. Since we are going to calculate for the quartile term, therefore our K is equals to 2. What about our N? 50. It's 50. Okay, the total frequency. So why is it 4? Since we are solving for quartile, we are going to divide it into 4. Since according to the definition, it is divided into 4 intervals. So our square is 2 times 50 over 4 equals to 9 divided by 4. Ayan. Okay, so our value for Kn divided by 4 is 25. So what is now our next step?
Get the CF.
Okay, get the CF from where does our value step 2 will be located. So here, based on the cumulative frequency, where does 25 fall into? Is 25 located in 6?
No.
Is it in 18?
No.
Is it 27?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So from range 1 to 27, 25 is inside. 25 is inside here. So by determining the qualitative frequency from the obtained, we are able to get our class, our quartile class. So this is it. This is this. Ayan. So by determining our cumulative frequency, we are able to determine our lower boundary and our frequency. So what is now our next step? Okay, so when we say of before, it says it's a previous, the previous value. So what comes first? What's come before 27? Is it 18 or 18? 18. Sure? Yes. Okay, very good. So 18 is our cumulative frequency 4. So now, after obtaining, what's the next step? Step 5? Substitution. Okay, let's now substitute. So our formula, Q sub K is equals to lower boundary plus the quantity K and over 4 minus CF all over F of the quartile class times I. So what is our lower boundary?
15.5.
34.5. Very good. Plus, okay, so what is the value? 25 minus what is our CF? 18. Our frequency? 9. And our interval, to get the interval, we simply subtract the upper and then the lower. So 46 minus 1 is 5. Okay. So now solve, class, you can solve. Answer.
Ano na? 0.70. 0.70. Times 1. 80 times 1.
Okay.
8, 10,
28. Next.
1,
1 point. Plus 1 point. Sure ba? Lumalayas na. Again. So, 35. Huh? 3.9. Sure. So, 38.5 plus 3.9 is 34.4.
34.4.
So, our quartile root is 34.4. So, after obtaining our quartile, what is now our last step? Interpret. So, to interpret the data, this simply goes to grade. Ganito na lang siya. So, this means that of the student So, in interpreting the data, ganito lang siya gagawin. So, this means that 50% of the scores of the students is less than or equal to 34.4. So, why is it 50%? Because quartile 2. Because it is in a quartile 2. So, now, is there any clarification? Yes.
Is it okay kung ano? Kung hindi ko nalalaman?
No, kasi yung score, parang determine mo what is the score in the quartile class. So, yeah. Parang exact na pa ito. No round up, parang no round up. So, let's have another example. So, number 3. Example number 2. You can read. Okay, so who can answer this on the board? So what is our first step again when we're going to solve frequency? That's 0.
Plus.
So who can solve for the value of Kn divided by 4? Yes, Jimmy. So who can Xavier Shira? Okay. So who can plot our quartile class? Where our quartile class falls into. You can plot it on the table. Diba, in our step, after finding the k of this value, we have to find where it goes. So who can plot? Yes, Mike. So where does 30 belong? Okay, very good. So now, since you already agreed, what is now our cumulative frequency before the quartet class? 23. 23, very good. So 23 is our CF. CF before. Okay, so now who can solve it on the board? Zero. Ma, yes? Di ba nag-study ka dun sa hard or before? Okay, very good observation, Tracy. Zero. Please, can you see where you, saan ka nagkamali? Okay. Diba, when we're going to solve for cumulative frequency, we're going to start. Where are the class numbers? Okay. Please. Okay, very good. So, sister, very good. Tracy, can you plot now the cumulative frequency of our quartile class? Where does 30 fall into this cumulative frequency? Okay, so it falls. Well, I'm so sorry. So ito. So our quartet class, the quartet 3 is in this row. So what is our cumulative before? It is, what is now our cumulative before? 29. 29. So this will be our CF. So that's 29. So who can now solve it on the board? Ready? Okay? While Kevin is solving at the board, please also solve it in your notes. Okay, very good. So now, who can interpret? So did everyone get the same answer as Kevin?
Yes.
So who can now interpret the data? Yes, very
Means, it means that 75% of the height of 40 students is equal or is less than or equal to 155.
very good. So, does everyone understand on how to solve a quartile for group data? Okay. So now, let's have a group activity. Are you ready?
Yes.
So before we proceed to our activity, let us first read the guidelines of this activity. So everyone, please read. So I hope these guidelines will be followed. So now, so in our group activity, so the title of our activity is called Guess My Value. So here are the mechanics for this game. So class, please read. Each group will
So what are
Only have 7 minutes to answer. Do the steps in solving quartile, and once you're done, shut down. Shut down. Shut down.
okay. So before we start our activity, you can may mapapansin kayo footprints and handprints on the floor. So in this case, everyone will line up at the back and then follow the footprint. Okay, Ayan. So, please line up at the back. Ayan. So, since the boys group is 6, so sa kanila, may isang magulit. So in our game, the rule of our game is everyone will participate here and then follow kung ano yung nandyan sa ano. Okay, so, ganito din. Yung kabilang group, the other group will be mindful if the other group is not really like stepping or like yung hand tumikit. Hindi, may isa din ang papel. May isa din ang papel. Wait, hindi kasi naman sa dito.
Para
ba ang lahat? Uy, ito, ano ito? Maging obstacle. Please,
Pagka mag-agrangan.
dapat kabul. Ayan.
Hindi ka mo.
Mahiling ako, mga mada, kailangan mga kumbay, mga sa mga mada, dyan.
So, as stated in our drawings, the stem should be included while solving in the quartal. So now, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, class? Okay, so you will begin in 7 minutes.
Ano ang gawin?
So each group will only answer 2. Like for example, Jerome, after doing the activity, mag-answer siya muna ng dalawang ganito, tapos next na naman, dalawa. Pag nagtatlo, kahit yung, makatatlo si Dave, tapos nakita ni Shaira, minus point agad yun. So, makakatlo ka nga, pero magiging ganito mo. So, are you ready? Okay. Okay. Let's start our 7 minutes. Ay, 10 minutes na lang. Timer starts now. Go! Okay, dalawa lang ha? Okay, next! Sige, go! Hindi, I mean, next, ako na. Harapos na ako. Okay, next.
Nakapalda. Ano ba ba? Sumagtuwad-tuwad dyan.
Minus 2.
Hey, kapag
Balikan mo na dyan. Okay. Mag-i-step lang kayo pag after magtapos na. Sige, go. Okay, pwede nyo kung tingnan yung pag yung mga kalaban nyo kung makatawa. Wait siya, mga gagawa.
Minus 5. Okay, minus
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Dapat pag nakabalik na, wag lang, pag ano, appear na lang.
Oh my God, tapos na.
Ito,
Wait, 8 minutes.
appear.
1. Okay. Ay! Sige, go.
Ako na Kevin.
Sige, let's go.
Di ba tapos?
Ian, all the steps should be included. Oh, bilis.
Para tayo.
Sige. Ay, balik mo.
Mali nga, bobo. Mani. Ang intensity, mag-intensity.
Find the...
Device 4. KN device 4. VT ay 2.
Find Q2 and Q3.
3 minutes.
25.
Next.
Yung iba kasi
Go, Tin!
You're going to flop.
Hindi mo hindi.
Sige na.
Bumalik mo ba? Dapat mo na.
Next, Shai. What's
Pagal. Ilang minutes na lang, ma'am? Ilang minutes na lang po, ma'am? No coaching na po.
Di ba? Ito lang interval. Hindi kita test round.
5 minutes.
5/6.
Ayos ko. Point 84 lang sa akin mo. Point 84.
Ano na yan, Tin? Nakapilang agi ka na dyan. Hindi mo na ma-master.
Therefore na lang. Therefore, 50%. Quarter ba to? Quarter to.
Tapos dalawang ikaw yan, ma'am.
Masok kayo ulit. For this.
Tinutang ikaw, tapos ka lang. Oo, madal.
Gawa niya na. Isa dito.
Sige, next.
Jural.
May ball mo raon!
Paano yun? Nilang ko? Hindi ka. Doon mo kasi inot. Tama yan. Tama na.
Ikaw man lang.
Naging ko yung bata. Yan. 10.8. 10.8. Diyan ko sila kailangan sila dun.
Malagit kami naman sa pagbulo.
Tulog ko kasi ako. Buyan mo kasi balik ka mo.
Ano masasabi nyo guys? Mali kayo. Ano masasabi nyo guys?
41 minus 29.
Ano masasabi nyo?
Human error.
Oh, di ba may kasalanan? Oh, di na.
Yung sa baba.
Di ba kasalanan? Imposible
Yung
yun.
sa baba.
Di ba?
Ano masasabi nyo sa akin?
Ano ba nung giniling nyo?
Ako na po kasalanan.
My fault, I sent her.
Records.
So,
Ano sa baba nung giniling
time's
nyo?
up to our
Ikaw kaya pa
the girls.
Yes.
Bigyan na lang. Oh,
Pero pag sila sila.
So, yan. So, please come forward to take your prize. So, for the winners group, the
Ano
girls.
masasabi mo din? Kayo.
Ay, mabibigyan namin ito.
Ano masasabi mo?
Wait lang, picture for
Iba yan. Ayan.
picture po na kita na ano na yung winner receives the prize. Okay, ang kabas.
Hindi ka mo mabalik.
Uy, paano kami?
Ano pa? Manit man?
So, di ako siguro nag-bodo sa doon.
Mali.
Video.
So now,
Video.
so now, for the part of
Video sinabi ko.
who will participate.
Video sinabi ko. Picture.
Yak yun.
Meron si ma'am.
Tracy.
Hindi naman siya nila.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Now for the participation for boys,
Ma'am, smile.
let's have a picture. Boys, sila talaga.
Uy! Gino!
Hindi mo ba nagtakan?
Di ba naman sa baba? Ay, meron ka. 1, 2, 3, smile. Waki. Ay,
Okay. So thank you. Okay. Okay, class. Eyes on me. Where's the gopher?
Ano ka?
So class, eyes on me na. Kuya, ano ba na yan? Okay. So, what's the activity one? Class. What's the activity one? Okay, so please settle down, everyone. Please settle down. So what's the activity one? Yes. So even though there was slight misunderstanding and errors, yet you still find this one. Thank you for participating. So now, class, let's have a recap. So what was our topic all about today? Yes, Christine. Christine, what was our topic for today?
Quartiles of group data.
Okay, very good. So our topic for today is all about quartiles for group data. So what were the steps that we used in solving for the quartile, first.
Get the lower boundary.
Very good. What about the second step?
Solve for
Solve for the
3n.
3n.
Maganda.
And then, last five.
Yun na talaga eh.
Where the step 2 is located. And step 4.
Get the frequency before.
Okay. And step 5. Substitute. Okay.
And lastly, interpret.
And then the last step is interpret. So I hope you won't forget about this. So now class, let's have a quiz. Please answer on your notes. Find the quartile 1 or just quartile 1, like quartile 1, quartile 3 of the written scores of the 50 students. Please answer quartile 1 and 2.
Okay.
Please be mindful on your classmates. Please answer your notes and positive. Everyone, please answer.
Oh yes, so superintendent. Diga simbang. Dayman sunan pati. Sarap at ingi. Lagi na namin yung kinuang pagkaon. Tapos nagka-participate. Ito. Sa inyo.
Ay, pwede po mag-print ng ano, mag-balloon or shit, mga semo. Ika na ang tali. May balloon para sa third row. Ito naman ang third row. Dakul sa group. Pero ito si Jan doon, si Giovanni.
Sila.
Ako naman rin para sa grupo mo.
Apat.
Kaya
Apat na tayo.
Ito po sa ano mo?
Giovanni,
Ba't yung sa
saan mo
ano?
daw sa video pag kayo mo?
Sunod na.
Ano ko pati video mo?
Mag-drop lang yung ipin mo.
Pag for one train yung ako may makapot. Doon kita maleksyon.
Marami rin sa klase tabi sila yun. Sa mga klase sila yun.
Palaw ko man sa end.
Tapos din din mo sa mga sana. Ito na pa. Ito na ma'am. Kasi balik na rin tax dulu sa
Balik siya, Brian. Interpret
Big
na
boss
lang.
ko taga simbang man.
Tutok.
Sumigaw.
Okay na ng cover ng red marker. Ilabas ko na po yung cover ng red marker.
Gerald, tipos ka sa...
Di ko na alam ka dyan ah.
So,
Dikit na naman.
Ay, kung hindi ka sa bago, hindi sa'yo mo ka.
Uy, minus 2.
Nagan. Ay, God. Okay, ma'am. Para sa amin, bibini. Happy Mother's Day.
Partay sa'yo na.
Oo, ma'am. Hindi. Maganda ka, ma'am. Hindi mo. David, ano? Anong lakad, David? Saan ka ka? Maganda. Yun, mga
Hindi, ano kami siya? Meeting. May spacing kami sa... Pati ulit nila niya. Adjust. Hindi, kasi kami yung... Girls? Girls?
Okay, so everybody, is everyone done? Everyone? Okay,